In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create AI thumbnail images for YouTube that are trained on your face and that look exactly like you. So I'm going to be using just two tools in this video. One is the AI Genius Club, which is a part of the Great Discovery platform. I'll tell you how you can actually get it for free. You can actually get access to this totally for free, actually get paid to use it, and Canva. So just two very simple tools. But what I'm first going to show you is how to generate the image in the AI Genius Club, which, like I said, is a part of the Great Discovery. I'll put the links below if you want to follow along as we're going through. So I'm using an app in the AI Genius Club called the AI Genius Image Model. And I've trained one of these models, and I have this model selected, which is trained on my face. So I uploaded some images of myself, and I trained an AI model, and now this AI model can create all these different images that look just like me. So for this YouTube thumbnail, I'm going to create it for my networking organization. I have different networking events for businesses throughout the week, and I want to create an AI thumbnail image for this YouTube video explaining these events. So what I'm going to say is, create me a YouTube thumbnail image of myself. So I tagged myself, and that's just basically prompting this AI model to make an image that looks like the model that was trained on me. Okay, create me a YouTube thumbnail image of Alex Hitt at an in-person networking event surrounded by business professionals. Make the event business-like with lots of great people there. Also make sure it has a techie look to it, because these networking events usually take place online. Make sure Alex, myself, is the focus of the YouTube thumbnail, and make sure Alex is on the right hand side of the image. All right. So that's our prompt there. I'm going to do it in the 16:9 aspect ratio because that's the dimensions that you would want for your YouTube thumbnail. And I've simply given it the prompt. The strength is how much do I want the image to look like me. So I usually do about 1, and then I can just go ahead and click create another custom trained image. So the custom trained image is trained on my appearance. Now it's going to go ahead and generate over here. All of my generations are down here. This one I obviously did wrong. It looks like a dog, but it's pretty cute, so I'll keep it. What I wanted was me in a dog costume, which I was able just to adjust the prompt to get it. So sometimes it doesn't give you exactly what you want, and a lot of times that's because you're not giving it the right information. So that's actually a pretty good image there, but I want to be looking into the camera and not a side profile. So I'm just going to tell the AI to make sure at Alex is looking directly into the camera. Now, like I said, you can actually get this for free, this AI tool. So you have to pay $6 to train the tool. But if you just refer 3 people into the AI Genius Club, then you actually get access into the AI Genius Club for free. So if you refer the AI Genius Club, which doesn't only come with this tool, but literally dozens of other tools, all these other AI tools, then you can get the AI Genius Club for totally free. And we provide training 3 times a week on how to use this, how to create your own images, how to train your own model. Okay, I'm kind of liking this image, guys, but I want it to maybe look a little bit more like me. That looks pretty good, but I'm just going to increase the strength all the way up to, let's say, max look like me. And I think this is actually really, really good. I could use this. I'm going to just do it one more time to see if I can create something better. And here's the really awesome part. I referred this to 3 people. I get the AI Genius Club for totally free, and I can create unlimited images totally for free within the AI Genius Club. And if you need help in training, like I said, we actually provide live training 3 times a week at this point, and maybe even more. Ooh, that's pretty good too, but you know what? I kind of like this first one better. I think that one looks a little bit better. This one's a little bit too close up. I'm going to go ahead and download this one, and I'm going to move this into Canva. So I can just come down here, I can hover over this image and click download. Now I could continue just to click here and click image after image after image, but I actually do really like this one. So I went ahead and downloaded that. I just had to wait a minute. Okay, it downloaded there. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to Canva, and I create a lot of different thumbnail images. So I'm going to first upload my image here. So I'm going to first upload my image onto Canva here for this networking event. So do that, move that there, looking good. And then I already have the text from a lot of other images that I can kind of use. I already have some font styles that I like. So I'm just going to grab this font style here. This was a previous thumbnail image that I made with AI, and I can come and I can take this and I can use that font because that's a good font, and move that over a little bit. And then I'm going to use an AI tool actually within Canva, which is called Magic Expand, just to expand this image out just a little bit more. And what that's going to do is just going to fill it in over here. It's just going to expand the image a little bit more. So I'm not having this white space, and it's filling up the entire screen of my thumbnail. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit so I can see it a little bit better. And when you use this Magic Expand tool in Canva, it's going to give you 4 different versions. So you see it's kind of editing it here over on the left-hand side. Now, no one's really going to notice that. So I'll just choose that. That's fine. Now we're back to editing our image. So the image thumbnail is going to be TGD events. Go ahead and kind of match that to the colors of the website. So I can take a screenshot of this, and then I can upload this screenshot onto Canva to kind of pull the colors that I want for this. So those are the colors that I use on my website. So I'm going to make that text, that blue color there, and then add a white background behind it so you can see that text really easily. TGD events, white, or maybe actually I want to do that in that dark blue color, that in the dark blue color, and then I'll make the text white. And then I'm going to do it again, and it's going to be calendar, because this is the TGD events calendar. And then maybe I'll make that this a blue color, so I use this blue on the website there. And I'll put the white behind that. So I like to put the blocks behind the text just because that really makes the text pop a little bit more and draws people's attention to it. And put that behind the calendar. We're looking good. And maybe we'll move both of those over and make them a little bit bigger. Good. And I think I maybe want to make that text actually that dark blue color. Ooh, yeah, that looks a little bit more professional. And then tutorial. Okay, because this is a tutorial video on how to use the calendar. And then I can make that maybe that blue color that I had previously. Need to move this over just a little bit. Zoom in. When you zoom in, then you're able to kind of edit that box around it a little bit better than when you're so zoomed out. And then we can do that. Maybe just a repeat of these colors up here. Keep it really professional looking. Okay. Looks pretty good. I don't know if it pops enough though, or if it stands out. So maybe I do want to change this. I'll grab that palette again. And you know what I'm going to do? I do use yellow. So I'm going to do this in yellow. That'll really make it pop. Yep. This is black. Or no, this in that blue. That doesn't look good. So I'm going to mess around with this a little bit till I get it exactly right. So I'm going to fast forward through the video at this point until I get all the colors right. Got to play around with it a little bit. Okay, that looks good enough. I'm going to stop there. I think that's pretty good. So you see, I just played around with it in Canva, see what looks good. I can always go back and update it, but you see how I created the AI image in my image model. I'll go ahead and create another one while we're sitting here, and I'll talk a little bit more about the AI Genius Club and the Great Discovery. So the Great Discovery is an incredible online platform, provides so many tools for online businesses. If you're a creator of any type, if you sell online digital products, well, you can sell your digital products through the platform, through the e-learning digital marketplace. So I sell different courses on the platform. My courses are about YouTube and TikTok and SEO and affiliate marketing, and I talk a lot about the Great Discovery as well. I do also sell my affiliate marketing consulting services through the platform, so if you are a coach or a consultant, you can actually sell your service-based business or your events through the platform as well. There are also communities, so we have the evergreen courses, the consulting, but we also have communities, so we call them channels on the Great Discovery. And these channels are a place where you can constantly update content. So if you have weekly Zoom calls, or if you have a community that you like to have engagement with, well, you can host that community here alongside your evergreen content and your coaching programs in your community section. So I have an affiliate marketing community that people can join as well. And then what I'm interfacing with right now is called our AI Genius Club. So you see it's mentioned up here, but if I go to my learner dashboard, you can get access to this AI Genius Club and all the tools within it. And what I really like about it is that if I refer this, like I said at the beginning of the video, if I refer this just to 3 people, I can actually get my AI Genius Club membership totally for free. I can come in here and I can just, like I said, like I'm doing here, I didn't like these 2, so I'm just going to keep creating and creating and creating. And with this AI Genius Club, that's not a bad one. I don't like my kind of stern expression, so I'm going to make sure I say, make sure Alex is happy and vibrant. So I just prompted that, I'm kind of giving a stern expression here, and I want to make sure that I'm looking happy and not so kind of like I'm not having a good time at the networking event, right? So yeah, so a lot of other tools. There's actually a video tool, so you can actually create AI videos based upon somebody's website. We'll go along. Okay, so that's a pretty good one, but I'm wearing a hat. So maybe I'll say, make sure Alex isn't wearing a hat either, with nice slicked back hair. Create it again. That was a pretty good one. I actually like that one a lot. I actually might want to go and replace my previous image with that one because that one looks pretty good, but we'll see what it gives me here. So yeah, the AI Genius Club, awesome. There's just a whole suite of tools. Again, I'm using the AI image model that's trained on my appearance and my likeness. That's a pretty good one too, but again, I don't like the side profile, so I gotta just keep kind of iterating or just keep creating, and because I get it for free, I can just keep iterating and iterating and iterating. If I want to change the aspect ratio, I can also change that, and maybe I need to just kind of decrease the strength of it, so it gives it a little bit more freedom with my appearance to kind of change my look. Oh, that's a very good one. Yeah, I might use that one, but I have this guy right here who's kind of behind me, so that might not look as good, but this thumbnail image will do pretty good for now, but I might play around with it. And that's a good thing about YouTube thumbnails. You can always go in and edit it and change it later on. Okay, another one here. Just fun just to sit here and see what it will do. And sometimes you do want to kind of radically change the prompt and just kind of start over with the prompt. If you're not getting what you want, maybe just kind of start over or edit the prompt significantly to get a little bit more what you want. That's pretty good. I actually kind of like that one. I look a little bit happier in that. But yeah, that's a tutorial on how to use the AI Genius Club. I do a lot of these YouTube thumbnail tutorials because I'm constantly making YouTube thumbnails for my different YouTube videos. So if you like these, comment what you'd like to see below. We provide 3 trainings per week in the AI Genius Club, and we provide trainings on the Great Discovery website too. So if you want to host and sell your courses on this platform or your coaching program or build your community, we provide individual and group training many times throughout the week. If you go to the Great Discovery here, you go to calendar, you'll see that we just have an incredible amount of free training. All of these events are free throughout the week, and they're all designed to help you be successful on the Great Discovery platform, whether you're a creator, whether you're an affiliate, or whether you're a learner, whether you're using the AI Genius Club, you're going out there and selling courses, whatever it is you're looking to do, the Great Discovery is a great platform to help you do it. So that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below, and make sure to subscribe for more AI tutorials, more Great Discovery tutorials to learn more about affiliate marketing or growing your online business. I'm Alex Hett. Have a great day. Goodbye.